rusty old heap, a clunker, a wreck. Been through more miles than I care to recollect. Every time I turn the key, it's a gamble. Will she start or leave me stranded like a scarecrow in a field of tumble? She's seen better days, my trusty old ride needs a lot of love to keep her alive. Against the scratches and a coat of rust, but she's got character, that's for sure, I trust. Engine's a symphony of rattles and groans. The brakes squeal like a pig when she's coming down the road. The tires are bald and the windows are fogged, but she's got a heart of gold that's often been logged. She's seen better days, my trusty old ride needs a lot of love to keep her alive. Against the scratches and a coat of rust, but she's got character, that's for sure, I trust. I poured my heart and soul into this car. Replace the spark plugs, fix the headlight scar. But she keeps on breaking down in the most inconvenient place. I swear she's got a mind of her own, a mischievous case. She's seen better days, my trusty old ride needs a lot of love to keep her alive. Against the scratches and a coat of rust, but she's got character, that's for sure, I trust. But now it's time for change, a fresh new start. With love and care, I'll mend her broken heart. A shiny new coat for my daughter to drive, a legacy of love that will forever thrive.